just let a burp just rip out of my mouth. Really loud. I just burp it on out. And you can keep, which is for Christmas Day. Burping. This was before, and we just not shy. And but